Hey everybody. Okay, so in the last 2 months, so May and June, Brutus Monroe has released a whole bunch of new mixed media products. Dun, 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 dun. I do not have them all, but I do have like a selection of like each kind that there is, if that makes sense. So I thought that it would be super fun to do a video and show you what each of these new mediums do. Now, I just got my favorite colors. So just know that each type of medium I'm going to swatch, they have like a whole rainbow of colors. So don't feel like, you know, if you love the color yellow, I only chose, I think, like 1 or 2 yellows, but there are yellows in all the different kinds. Do you see what I'm saying? Okay, so we've got some Chroma Mist sprays. Now, Chroma Mist sprays have been around for a while. I have lots of other brands. These are, or lots of other colors. These are just new colors, and I didn't get them all. So I got the mint, and I got the dragon fruit, and I got the wisteria. This wisteria is so good. I've already used it on a couple different layouts. It's fabulous. I love it. It's like the perfect purple. So the next thing that is new are these pastel chroma glazes. Now these are a little, this is not how chroma glaze dry, which is why I'm going to swatch them for you. But I have the pink, I have the yellow, I have lime, I have turquoise, and I have peach too. Hold on a second. Just a second. I obviously forgot to grab it because I totally have a peach. No, where is it? Anyway, somewhere. Here we go. I knew it. It's like, I have a peach. There it is. I also have the pastel in peach. So then there is Chroma Opaque. 1, 2. Oh, here's another one. I think I bought all of the pastel ones. I think I got all the pastel ones because here's the violet. So there's pink, peach, yellow, lime, turquoise, violet. Yes, those are all. I did actually order and get all 6 of the pastel ones. So then there's the Chroma Opaque. I only got 2 colors of this. I got orange and pink because I love orange and pink together, but just know there's lots of them. What makes this one really amazing is that it works on black cardstock, which I am going to show you. Then there are shimmer glazes. I got watermelon. I got mandarin. And I got limoncello. So just to give you an idea here of what we got going on, like the magic with these happens when it dries and they swatch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to swatch these all. Then I'm going to come back and show you what each of them looks like when they're all dried and beautiful and lovely. And there will be links in the description box to all these different products. I will be using lots of them in upcoming videos, but I wanted to swatch them and show them to you before I started getting messy and playing with them. Okay, so here are all of the swatches after they've been dried. So I have the 3 sprays up here, mint, wisteria, and dragon fruit. Look at all that shimmer. I love it. Here are the 6 pastel Chroma Mist. You can see they dry with a nice like sheen to them. They have this like gloss finish that's really cool, and I love the colors. These are the two opaque pastes. So on white paper, you can see they're kind of matte, very solid colored. And they also show up on black cardstock. Now this is just a thin layer. This isn't really, really thick. If you put a thicker, you can even kind of see from this one, the thicker the layer, the more opaque the paste becomes. So if you put a nice thick layer, you'll get less of the black underneath or more of the black, depends on how thick a layer you put on it. So that's the opaque on white and on black. And then here is the shimmer. Now the shimmer is the one that took longer to dry. And I'm not sure that you can, I'm trying to get the light to hit it just right, because it does have this beautiful shimmer to it. There, I think I got it right there. It's gorgeous. So those are just a sampling of all of the different mixed media products that have been released, all the different types of mixed media products that have been released from Brutus Monroe. There's also a set of new aqua pigment colors, and I've worked with those quite a few times on this channel. So if you're interested in something like that, I would go to the playlist and click the Brutus Monroe playlist, where I play with all the different products that I have. But here is just an idea of what the new colors, and like I said, there is a rainbow of color in each style. So there's a whole rainbow of the opaque, there is a whole rainbow of the shimmer, there is a whole rainbow of the mist. I do think that these are all 6 of the pastel pastes, but the other ones, there's definitely many more colors. So I will leave links in the description box below so that you can find anything that may have caught your eye, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye.